to the Outdoorsman Raffle Club. Please remember to join our YouTube channel, the Outdoorsman Raffle Club, and also help us grow the group by sharing this with your friends and family. And you could find the shareable link on one of the posts here at the bottom of the page. So now we're going to go ahead and spin this game closer raffle. I'm going to go ahead and this is for the gun case. Type in the comments that we're recording. All right, so this one is going to be spots 1 through 5. Winner in this game will get 1 spot in the main raffle. So we're going to go ahead and spin this game off. Go to our random generator, refresh once, refresh twice, and refresh a third time. We'll change this for spots 1 through 5. And winner is going to be spin number 3, spot number 1. Good luck. Spin number 1. Spin number 2. And for the winner, spin number 3. Clock shows 56 minutes after the hour. Good luck. Winner is going to be spot number 4. Spot number 4 is going to be Lone Baines. Congratulations, sir. Please go ahead and pick a spot on the main raffle. Congratulations. Go ahead and end recording.